it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite buns that I wear with you guys. They're all pretty simple and pretty easy, and they don't take too long to do. And also they're really good for protecting your ends, which helps with hair growth. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, please continue watching.
Okay, so for my first look, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to spray it down with water. It's a lot easier for me to style my hair when my hair is wet. And then I'm just going to take my brush and just brush all my hair to the back because I'm going to just put it in a loose, low ponytail. I like to have it in a loose ponytail before I actually do my actual ponytail because I want my hair all slicked back perfectly before I secure my ponytail. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding gel all around and slicking it all back, and then I'm just gonna do my edges, just do a couple swoops on both sides, and then just pull out like pieces of hair on each side so I can have just little curls on the sides, and I think that adds just like a cute touch to the look. And then next, after I have it all slicked back and looking how I want it to look, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my ponytail. So then after I put in my ponytail, then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bun. And I think it's cute when some of the curls kind of poke out. And yeah, so this is the completed first look. Okay, so for my second look, I'm just keeping that middle part and then just creating like a diagonal part off of that. And this is gonna kind of have it to where it's like kind of like a side part to where I can kind of swoop the front part, if you get what I'm saying. So I just did that, and then I'm just brushing it all back to another sleek low ponytail. And this is how it looks. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh my edges a little bit. Okay, so after I have my ponytail, I'm just going to section it off into 3 different sections, and I'm going to make 3 twists from my ponytail. So then I'm going to take my twists and put them into a bun. And so how I do it is I'll just take one twist and then wrap it around like my hair tie, and then I'll take another twist and just wrap it on top and around of the first one, and then I'll take the last one and then just wrap that on top of the other one, and then I'll just secure that with my hair tie, and then that's it. That's a completed look. It's a really good protective hairstyle, and it's also really cute. Okay, so for my next style, I'm just combing all of my hair back, and then I'm just gonna put it into like a messy kind of high bun. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my gel. And then I'm just going to take my brush to smooth it all back, so it'll be a really nice, sleek, high ponytail. And then once I like how sleek it looks, then I'm just going to actually go ahead and put in my hair tie and make my ponytail. Okay, and then now I'm just going to do a couple swoops on each side to make my edges look real cute. And then pull out a little curl on the side, and then I'm just gonna kind of messily wrap it around into like a really messy bun, and then I'm just gonna take my hair tie and just kind of plop it on there just like one time, and then I'm just pulling out some of my curls to make it like a really cute messy bun. And then this is my final look. For another option for buns, you could take a old sock, just a clean old sock, and then cut the toe part out of the sock, and then just wrap the sock into itself. And then that'll make your hair look fuller, and if you want that perfect donut shape, this is perfect for that. To start, I'm going to start with my same high ponytail, and then I'm going to put my hair through the hole of the sock, and then just kind of spread my hair all around the sock and just kind of like keep it all together nice and tight, and then just secure it with the hair tie like this, and then you'll have that perfect bun, perfect like donut, like perfect bun. This is the final look. Okay, so for my next final look, I'm just taking my hair down, and then I'm just going to part it all the way down the middle. And then from that part, I'm going to make a diagonal part from the part to my ear. And then I'm going to make that little section into a ponytail. So I'm just using a little gel, brushing it back, and then putting it into a ponytail. Then I'm going to twist that section. You don't have to twist all the way down, but just twist it like almost to the ends. Okay, and so with the back section, I'm just wetting it down, and then I'm gonna brush it into a ponytail. Just use a little bit of gel if you need to. And then once I have my ponytail, I'm gonna take my twist, and I'm just kind of tightening it, and then I'm gonna pull it to that back ponytail, just like that. And then I'm gonna secure it with my hair tie. And then any part of that twist that was remaining in the ponytail, I'm just gonna untwist that. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around and make it into a little bun. And then I'll add a little lock jewelry to the front ponytails. And then that gives it like a really pretty look to it. And then the last step is just to do my edges, do a few swoops and the little curls on the side. And then that's it. That's the final look.
Okay, so those are all of my hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you know every time I post a new video so you don't miss them. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.